If you're getting an Epic Games authentication error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account and back to gaming. This is especially helpful if the launcher won't sign in, keeps looping on authentication, or shows an error even though your password is correct. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes the problem isn't on your computer at all. It's on Epic's side. Open your browser and visit the Epic Games status page to make sure the login service is working properly. If the servers are having issues, the best fix is simply to wait until Epic restores service. If everything looks normal there, move on to the next step. Now let's clear the Epic Games launcher cache because corrupted cache files can stop authentication from working correctly. To do that, fully close the launcher first. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's completely shut down from the system tray. After that, press Windows key plus R, type %local app data to %, and hit enter. In the folder that opens, find Epic Games Launcher, then open the saved folder. Inside there, look for the Webcache folder and delete it. This clears temporary data that may be causing the login problem. Once that's done, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and try signing in again. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your system clock. Authentication can fail if your date and time are out of sync, even by a little bit. Open settings, go to time and language, then date and time, and click sync now. Make sure the correct time zone is selected too. This is a small step, but it solves login issues more often than people expect. If you still can't get in, try logging in through the Epic Games website using your browser. Go to the Epic Games Store login page and sign in there. If the website login works but the launcher doesn't, that usually means the issue is local to the launcher itself, not your account. Next, disable any VPN you may be using. VPNs can sometimes mask your IP address or location and trigger authentication errors. Turn off the VPN completely, then try to log in again. If that still doesn't fix it, let's flush your DNS. This refreshes your network lookup data and can clear connection problems that block Epic authentication. Open command prompt as administrator, then type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. After it completes, restart the launcher and test the login again. If you think your account credentials might be the issue, use the forgot your password link on the Epic login screen to reset or refresh your password. Even if you know your password, resetting it can help clear account verification problems tied to authentication. And finally, if nothing else has worked, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Giving the launcher elevated permissions can sometimes fix sign-in problems caused by system restrictions. Once you've tried these steps, you should be much closer to getting back into your Epic Games account without the authentication error. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next troubleshooting fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.